Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change YouTube channel on mobile. YouTube now allows content creators the flexibility to customize their channel's name and photo without affecting their Google account identity. Creators are no longer constrained to having matching names across YouTube and other Google services like Gmail. They can craft a unique brand for their YouTube presence, separate from their personal Google profile. This guide will walk you through the simple process of updating your YouTube channel's name and photo, limiting those changes to just your YouTube presence. With a few clicks, you can establish the perfect name and look for your channel on YouTube while still using your regular name on Gmail and elsewhere across Google. Change YouTube channel name on mobile. Go to your channel page, open the mobile app, then tap your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select your channel. Click the pencil icon and then click the pencil icon again on the next screen. From there, type in your new channel name. To save your new channel name, click the checkmark icon in the top right corner. To customize channel in YouTube Studio, click Customize Channel, which will take you to the YouTube Studio dashboard of your channel. In YouTube Studio, click on Basic Info in the top. Find your current channel name and click the pencil icon to edit it. And then, type your new desired channel name and then click Publish in the upper right corner to save the changes. Creators may want to change their channel name and URL for several reasons. First, to create better branding that is more memorable and recognizable, to separate a professional or business YouTube identity from a personal account, to make the channel name or URL easier to find and share, then to signal a shift in channel content or focus, and last, to create consistency with name or URLs on other platforms. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.